Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you the best under-the-radar free airdrop in Dymension ecosystem. And like always in my videos, we go a little bit about the project and then I go with the tutorial step by step on everything that you need to do in order to participate on this free airdrop, which is running on the Dymension ecosystem. And if you are delegating into Dymension, staking Dymension tokens, you probably will also get rewards for being a Dymension staker. But this is for the incentivized testnet, which is confirmed. So let's go to the content directly. Aigisos is a blockchain platform built on Dymension that introduces a novel consensus mechanism called robust and secure Byzantine fault tolerance. This mechanism engages the security and reliability of the blockchain by increasing the consensus threshold, requiring a larger number of nodes to reach an agreement, thus making it more resistant to attacks. Aigisos aims to provide a more secure and efficient platform for decentralized applications, emphasizing improvements in security, fault tolerance, and transaction processing speed. The important points about this protocol is that interacting on their testnet and being a Dymension staker will be the criteria to get this free token. So what we are going to cover here is a DX that is built here on this platform, and which is going to give you the profitable free tokens in the future. 4 million AIG tokens has been allocated for the incentivized testnet, and this is super under the radar. There are only 9,800 users in Discord right now, and you need to be in Discord to do this airdrop. So that means that we are right now with less than 10,000 users doing the airdrop, and probably many of them are not really seriously doing it. So the chances to really get an allocation for this airdrop are very big. So in order to participate on this airdrop tutorial step by step, what you need to do is first you need to get the Champ Ape role in the Aigisos Discord. So to do that, go to this link on Discord to the Champ Ape registration channel and type /register. You need to enter your ABM address. So go here to the link and here you need to put register, put your address, and you are going to see a message like this, like the user was registered with that address. So first of all, go here and register your address. The second point is that you need to get your testnet tokens. So you can use the AIG faucet channels to get the AIG tokens for a maximum of 5k tokens at the time, and you also can request 0.02 Bitcoin and 0.2 Ethereum on this faucet token. So once you are here, you can see the AIG faucet. You need to do what I mentioned before and you will get these tokens. So basically click /request AIG and put the number that you want. So /request, in type we put AIG, and then in number we can put a max of 5,000. So you can see now it's thinking and the request was sent, the tokens was sent. Down here you can do the same for BTC and you can do the same for Ethereum. Remember, for Bitcoin is 0.02 what you can ask here, and for Ethereum 0.2. So once you get those transactions done, you will get your faucet tokens ready. Now we go to the point 3, which is start trading on AIDX. Connect your wallet and start interacting. You need to complete a trade with a profit of over 20% in order to share your screenshot of your trading profit and blockchain hash in the Championship Arena channel. That is also here, Championship Arena. So once you have your trade with more than a 20%, you share your screen here with your transaction hash. This is going to be also one of the criteria to get more bonus or to be actually better for this airdrop. So go here to the exchange, connect your wallet. I am using MetaMask. Click switch to the proper network and approve the transaction here to connect to the Aigisos testnet. Once you are connected, you can go to the spot and to perpetual trading and try to do a transaction with that amount of reward. So I will do one transaction enabling leverage and I will do a long position. So I will long BTC right now. And you can see my order, my long position is open here right now. So after I do a 20% of return, I will use it to put in the arena champ. Hey crypto fans, as airdrop hunters and crypto enthusiasts, we are constantly in risk of being scammed from protocols and people that want to drain our wallets and enter into our computers. That is why we partner with proxy sellers for our proxy services, and the great about their services is that you can select many crypto-friendly countries, and you can even mix a package of different countries for your proxy services. You can select many of the different proxy options, including your residential proxies. And it's super easy to get it. You just select the country, then you can put the amount of proxies that you want. Let's say that I am farming with 10 wallets. Just click on buy, and here on redeem code you can put a referral CCS15, and you can see how the price downs a 15% for all these proxy services and 10% for residential services. So don't wait anymore, be safe as an airdrop hunter and crypto enthusiast, so you are always in control when you are online. Use our CCS15 refer code, and first link in the description is your link to get your proxies with us and proxy seller. Now the point 4 is using the AI tools that we have for trading predictions. So you can click on BTC USD or Ethereum USD and use the Finch AI for a price prediction or trading signal. So share your interaction in the AI Master Discord channel. So go here to the fintech. So once you're here and I click there, I will send a message and ask for a price prediction here. So for example, what is the price of BTC USD today? Once you use it, you can take a screenshot of this and you can post it on the AI Master. So here you go to the channel again and AI Master, and you can paste here the response. Now I am asking, should I take a long position or a short position, for example, and now it's giving me this answer. I will just take a screenshot of this and paste it on AI Master. So those are basically the actions that you need to do, and the point 5 is the metrics measures in an iShots campaign. Trading volume, profitability, number of trades, ALP, so liquidity provision, insurance fund participation, the championship arena profit shares, and the Finch AI trading suggestions and prediction sharing. So using all these tools and doing all this is what is going to give you your best allocation for the airdrop. Remember that it's super under the radar, and if you have any doubts on this airdrop, go to the point 6, which is the official testnet information. There you will find details on all these steps that we cover, but basically it's what I already mentioned, but here you have everything in detail. If you want to check it once more, just go to the official link and you are done right now. If you want to do more free airdrops, remember that in my application you have one of the sliders that is free, and these are all the active free airdrops that you can do incentivized testnet that are still in place, and you don't need to spend anything, and you may get good rewards on different airdrops. So check everything here in my application. Of course you have my popular airdrops right now, my personal recommendations to do, and the newest airdrop are appearing also here. So once you select the airdrop that you want, you just need to click on track, select the wallet that you want to do this airdrop, and then you do the step-by-step on everything that you need to do in order to participate on the airdrop. And here you will be able to track your progress super easily. So that will be all for this best under the radar free airdrop on the Dymension ecosystem. Remember also to stake your Dymension tokens to be rewarded for this airdrop too. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.